Here is the Wagner Underwood Model 4 typewriter made in 1903. It's in pretty good condition, as you can see. It works very good. I got a piece of paper in it here in a minute. It has the dual ribbon spools. It has Wagner's design in the back, as you can see here. If anybody knows what this lever here does, could you let me know, because I've asked lots of people about that and nobody knows what it does. It doesn't look like it does very much though, as you can see. Yeah, it doesn't look like it does very much. So, I'd still like to know what it does. Here's the other side. And actually right here, with this lever, is how you select 1, 2, or 3 spacing. And on a normal Underwood, that would be up top here. And there's the other ribbon spool, or ribbon winding gear. It has this weird symbol on the front. Oh yes, and this was a rental typewriter. As you can see here, Muncie Typewriter Exchange. Let's get a look at this symbol. See that right there? Yeah, pretty weird symbol. Let me get a piece of paper in it real quick. Okay, got some paper in it. So it does work pretty well. The type basket is, let's see, it's a little different than on a normal Underwood. It's a little differently shaped. And as you can also see here, these little pieces right here that hold back the paper are different. The ruling device here has been replaced at one time because that's not original. The shift keys have the shift key, the tab key, the other shift key have been replaced, those because they never came green. Let's see. The return arm is a little different. It's more square than the ones now. It's flatter here. It has old style paper fingers. Yeah. So, there's the paper release right here, unlike it would be up here on a different model. So, that's the video.